are a woman, and that is your superpower. Every woman's success should be an inspiration to another, and when women support each other, incredible things happen. Women's Day is our time to recognize, enrich, and uplift women all across the world. Let there be no limit we put on ourselves as to what we can achieve. In simpler words, sky is the limit.
Hello everyone, I am a dentist working in Dubai since 5 years. I have always seen women of substance around me and I am striving all the time to become one myself. It's a wonderful time to be a woman and let's not be afraid to be pretty and smart. Let's break all the rules and give our daughters a new rule book for their generation. Let's remind our daughter to become their own universe for today and forever.
All outstanding work in science as well as in arts results from immense zeal applied to great ideas. With this, I would like to introduce my work in which I synthesize compounds which were declared anti-cancer by National Cancer Institute Bethesda, USA up to nanoscales. This work was published in reputed journals. For any achievement, self-motivation is required. Do hard and smart work with your 100%, then you will get good fruits in the future.
Confidence helped me a lot while leading around 2000 students and 100 teachers as headmistress in an international school in Saudi Arabia. Confidence to accept challenges beyond your comfort zone. Confidence to preserve a work-life balance. Confidence to accept good criticism and to work on it. Live your life with confidence.
I'm a chartered accountant and a CPA from Houston, Texas. I strongly believe that if it's important to you, you'll find a way. Or else, you'll find an excuse. I hope you find your way. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Rucha Amanwar, an IT professional working in Australia. Life has given me so many opportunities to work across the globe, like Asia, Europe and now Oceania. I feel a girl with a dream is a woman with a vision, and this holds so true in my case. After a break, life has given me one more chance to bounce back, and that was only possible because I had that power to chase my dreams and of course the support from my family.
I started illustrating only 2 years ago, after a different career and a long break. So I feel it's never too late to follow your dreams, and the right time to do it is now. On this International Women's Day, I want to cheer all the strong women. May we know them, may we be them, may we raise them.
This is Rituja, a mother to 7-year-old princess and a software developer. As a mother, I had to prioritize my time for my family over my career, not once but twice. And I was away from work for almost 4 years out of 10 years. While it was very difficult to get back to work, what helped me was perseverance and persistent efforts. Here I would like to tell you all, fear not, don't give up, keep trying, and perseverance is bound to take you to new heights always. Thank you.
Dance. It's an expression of joy and happiness. I've been learning Kathak since 2017. After 2 kids, I never thought it is possible to learn classical dance. But with hard work and dedication, one thing I can say, it is never too late to learn something new. I am a computer engineer by profession. I've started to write and learning to paint. Learning is my passion. Keep learning, keep growing.
Love to follow my passion as a cook.
Back in 2014, I started my first Facebook page dedicated to Maharashtrian cuisine. After immense response, I also started a YouTube channel and Facebook group, covering variety of other recipes too. My goal is to share these authentic recipes from mothers and grandmothers to the whole world.
You can do anything as long as you have the passion, the drive, the focus and the support.
I'm kids ethnic wear dress designer based out of Washington DC in USA. Even though I have completed masters in microbiology, my passion was always to do something creative. So we started Aboli Creation. Don't let anyone tell you what you can do and what you cannot do. Always design your life, design your path of happiness.
My journey as a pranic healer and Arhatic yoga practitioner totally changed my perspective and purpose of life. I strongly believe in it's never too early or too late to be spiritual. The most fulfilling way to be more prosperous, productive, happy, peaceful, healthy, and intellectual is to walk the path of spirituality. So, why wait? Create a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks good on the outside.
Women empowerment is great. However, it should be our equal responsibility and right to contribute to the economy and community. We are givers, not just takers. Change the mindset and we will see a change. Real estate is an ever-growing field globally and is always a great investment in everyone's life. I am proud to be a part of ever-growing vertical in the world of real estate. Let's be achievers and let's continue to contribute and succeed.
Hi, I am Shraddha Tumpalliwar and I am working as an accessibility and usability consultant in UK.
Enabling people with special needs to have an equal access on digital platform. The independence to get their tasks done has never been more crucial as the pandemic has driven everyone's life online. I'm doing my bit working towards inclusion to find your way to give back to the society because everyone counts and everyone can make a difference.
Hi, my name is Snehal Mailarpur. I am an architect by profession. To pursue my passion for creative designing and planning, I started working in Pune as an interior designer and space planner. I have been managing my business independently from home since several years, which includes lot of field and site work as well. Someone has rightly said that we all have two choices. We can make a living or we can design a life. And I can proudly say that I have designed a life which I love to live.
मी लहानपणापासून बिझनेसची प्रेरणा माझ्या काकूकडून घेतली ती आज एक सक्सेसफुल बिझनेस वुमन आहे.
I am a big fashion lover, so I started business where I delivered clothes and accessories in Pune and all over world. Also, I started teaching arts and Rangoli and took a couple of summer science camp for kids.
So friends, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything.
I have been working here in Singapore from last few years in a juice clinic based on Ayurvedic concepts. Ayurveda teaches you to be yourself and not the world wanted to see you. So with your behavior and attitude, conquer the world. Believe in yourself, believe in your traditions and believe in your Dadima's nuske. Believe me, she is the best doctor in the world. So stay beautiful as always, stay healthy, stay happy.
I am Advocate Vibhavari Mamedwar from Pune, India. I believe having a dream and achieving it with discipline is the key to success in life. Since my childhood, I dreamed of helping people and chose this profession when I grew up, as I felt it not just helps people but also gives them proper justice and helps in nation building. I do this with smile, care, compassion and pride.